In this video lesson, I will show you what is a buy stop order. A buy stop order is a pending order that will be open in the future when the price reaches a current price level which is above the current market price. And that means if the price is currently 2369, the open price for the buy stop will be above that price level. Inside the trading platform, if you are using MT4 like I am using currently, you can click this button new order and the new window will appear. So inside this window you can open several types of order, and first one, which is a standard one, is the market execution. So when you click a sell or buy button, you will immediately open order at the current market price. Then you have a drop-down menu where you can select a pending order, where you can find 4 of these pending orders. And which one we are currently covering is the buy stop order. So when you click on it, you need to select at which price you would like to place this order. And that means for the buy stop, the open price should be above the current market price. And for example, if the current market price is 2369, for example, let's put 2370 as the open price for this buy stop order. And then above that you have a stop loss or the take profit levels, which you can also set if you would like. So the logic behind the buy stop order is to open the order in the future when the market price reaches a certain price level. And in our case it is 2370. So when the price comes here at the 2370, the order will open. And then in order to be profitable, the price should continue to rise in value. That means should rise up instead of going down. So the pending order for the buy stop is the idea to continue to rise in value, and that means rising in price. If the price goes against you, when the price reaches and open this buy stop order, you will lose money, and that means a stop loss should be placed below that price level. For example, let's put it should be 2360, which is below the open price. So in order to be profitable, the price should continue to rise in value, and that means the price should go up. So for example, let's put a take profit at the price level 2371. Select this one here, put 2371, and when you're ready, click the place button. When you click on it, below inside this terminal window under the trade tab, you will see a current open order. So when it is triggered, and you can see it is already triggered because the price has risen in value, then the order will automatically open, and then the stop loss, which is currently here, and the take profit will be ready to close the order when the price reaches one of these levels. So you can see the idea behind the pending order, which is a buy stop, is to wait until the price rises in value, which was here. So the rise value to reach the open price, which is currently here at 2370, and then the idea is to continue to rise in value to reach the take profit level. So this is the idea for the buy stop. The buy stop order is usually used when you are expecting that the price comes to a certain level and you are expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. For example, let's take this one. The price was below this, currently acting as a support level. This is 2369.66. This is the area where the price currently is in it, and it is acting as a support. But when the price was gone down and then the price was continued to rise value, the price has found this resistance here. So it was expected that for the price it will be very hard to continue to rise in value. But if the price goes above, which is 2370, where I have put the open price, that means that the price has managed to go above the resistance. So I'm expecting, if the price has risen above the resistance line, it will continue to rise in value up to the next resistance, and that means around this price level, which is 2371.25. I have put take profit just below that resistance line, so my take profit is triggered before the price reaches this resistance. And the stop loss I have put just below this support line, which means if the price has gone above, it has managed to go above resistance line. So it will be a little bit hard, and I am not expecting that the price will continue to fall down because it has gone above the resistance. So it is expected to continue to rise in value. So I have put the stop loss just above this support line. So when the price goes up, it is expected to go again up because the price has managed to go above the resistance. So this is the idea. When you have a price level, which is currently here, and you are expecting that the price will go above that, it will break the resistance. And when that happens, the price will continue to rise in value. This is the time when to use a buy stop order, because the buy stop order represents an order that will open in the future when the price rises, and when it reaches, it will continue to rise again up instead of going down. So this is the buy stop order. It is just continuation of the price trend where the price reaches a certain price level. In our case, the price was going up, going above the resistance, reaches this price level, which is above the resistance. So I'm expecting the price will continue to rise in value and reach the take profit. So this is the idea behind the buy stop order. Remember that stop loss should always be placed below the open order, because whenever you open a buy order, you are expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. So the stop loss should be placed below the open price. And the take profit is always above the open price because the open buy order. This is the logic behind the stop loss and take profit on the buy stop order. So you have here an open order. Whenever you want, you can close this order with a loss or profit, or you can leave that the price reaches take profit or the stop loss price level which you have set. Remember, if you would like also to get inside the trade, double click on it and you can sell or buy a market order, open a new one, or close the current one that is open on the chart. Now we can wait until the price reaches stop loss, which you can see it will reach very quickly, and the order will close. So you can see how the buy stop order works. The strategy that you can use with a buy stop order is always to use it with a resistance and the support levels. The area around this horizontal line, which represents support and resistance, represents also a supply and demand area. This is an area around horizontal lines, which represents an area where the price could bounce or retrace. And for example, you can see this is the area where the small candles bodies are, opening and closing, and also the wicks. So when using a buy stop order, you can use this strategy I have already explained, and that is wait until the price rises in value, for example here, goes above that resistance line, which means the price has made a breakout to the upper side, and then open the buy order right here. When the price comes to that level, the price activates the order, which is a pending buy order. The price will continue to rise in value, and that is what you are expecting in that strategy. So when the price starts to rise value, you set the take profit to the next resistance level, which is just here, the start of this supply zone here. Then a stop loss would be just below this support line, which means you are not expecting that the price will fall below the support, which was currently acting as a resistance before the price has made a breakout. So the buy stop order should continue to rise in value. The price should continue in rise value when you open a buy stop order. So this is the strategy that you can use with support and resistance lines. I'm currently using gold on a 1 minute time frame to show you these examples. But if you would like to use any other symbols, you can also use it by using this simple strategy to open a buy stop order. So this is all for this lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you would like to get some more examples by using buy stop order, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to make a new video and also answer any questions you have. See you next time and happy trading.